Unlock, release, and fly. Unlock, release, and fly. Because ego can stagnate you, ego can hinder you, ego can keep you in a dark place. So unlock. What do you need to unlock? And how do you need to unlock? And what do you need to unlock? And what is locked? And how long has it locked? And how do I go about unlocking it? What are the tools do I need to unlock what I need to unlock? Some say read the Bible, but you got to know the understanding of the Bibles for the scriptures that suit your situation. Getting counseling, reading other stories, attending group meetings, confronting the problem, recognizing that it's time to unlock, knowing that it's time to unlock, knowing that you're strong enough that when you unlock what you need to unlock, you can handle it. God has it. Doing affirmation, meditating, understanding that has been festering too long. But you got to be willing to unlock. Don't sit around waiting on somebody else to unlock it for you. Seek help. God will sustain you.